What is a string literal in Python? Let's break that down. First, what's a string? Let's give ourselves a variable s1 that equals double quotes hello. Since s1 is holding a sequence of characters, it is a string. Okay, so what's the literal part? The literal part is when a string appears directly in your code, like the hello of s1. But there are two other ways to write string literals in Python. s2 equals single quotes world. World is now also a string literal. Last, you can use triple double quotes. s3 equals triple quotes subscribe triple quotes. All of these strings on the right side of the equals sign are string literals. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.